This is a story of a time gone by. The Northwoods of New England, a place distant from my stomping grounds of Boston, Mass. Why hang up my bow and cast away something so passionate? I'm searching for a different hunt, the hunt we often do not know we are on. Deep in the hunting camps of my ancestors, a treasure that is decaying, a path of self-discovery, to find my soul, to challenge what I am, to let myself get lost in Mother Nature. My father and uncle grew up hunting these mountains in a far different time. Heading north to camp country, and the time available to do so was commonplace, when sleeping bags lined every available space on a camp floor. As I watched them hunt together in a place that holds so much to their personal history, I had mixed emotions. I'm saddened, I'm hopeful, envious, curious, disappointed, and inspired. Today we work more, we vacation less, and it's a threat to this unique culture. Like always, I feel the time closing in on me. The pull back to Boston, and the chaos of my life back home. I escaped to the north one more time, so set in the reality of being away from the civilized world that fogs our minds. And as I looked over the mountains, I understood what I was searching for. It was the fundamental core in all humans, that connection with the natural order. The basic bond we have with the circle of life, and the primitive attraction to overcome failure. My senses overwhelmed with a world that is disappearing.